Tech Tuesday, again, sticking with the same old game plan here. Just like Apple, we're waiting till about the 3rd generation to fix any issues. Here's all the tech news that mattered this summer. Number 5, Netbookamania. If you haven't heard of a netbook, then you haven't watched a computer ad for about 4 months. Just like smartphones and TVs, it seems every electronics company is able to throw together one of these little mini laptops. Hands-free? Really? Cell phone companies have been watching computer ads, and now you can get netbooks on a contract with AT&T and Verizon with built-in 3G. Since most are in the sub $400 range, pick one up for back to school so you don't have to worry about when you drop it, lose it, get it stolen, spill junk on it, or experiment with its buoyancy. Number 4, Apple and its App Store. Anyone who discovered Google Voice and its beat the big corporation style, you know what I mean. Apple seems to be randomly denying app approvals based on less than logical or shady terms. The recent shutdown involved Google Voice, an app that uses a Google number to handle all calls and text messages. After approval, Apple yanked this awesome app and all other apps that use Google Voice because they duplicated existing iPhone functionality. Naturally, rumors started that AT&T had a hand in getting rid of Google Voice. It was enough to get the FCC involved, who then first off asked, "What is Google Voice?" I'm really glad they're running the investigation. Number 3, the battle of the smartphone giants kicked off when the Palm Pre and the iPhone 3GS released in the same week, both running new OSs, the Pre with Web OS and the iPhone with 3.0. Both are touting fast, user-friendly interfaces and the ability to do, well, everything, sorta. The Pre has the ability to run multiple apps at one time, uses a hard keypad, and is on Sprint, so not AT and sorry I dropped your call in a major city. The iPhone is, well, the iPhone. Its screen and design are still a bit superior, and the App Store is unmatched. But the Pre is only in Generation 1, and the iPhone is seeing some real competition. I'm still not happy, seeing as my phone doesn't even have a camera. Number 2, the PS3 Slim comes in as the second best event of the summer, but I'm surprised that info of it wasn't already leaked on it being on this countdown. Yes, the PS3 release was the biggest kept secret since, well, the PSP Go's release. The new PS3 drops to $299 and packs a 120 gig hard drive in a 30% lighter and 33% smaller frame. The current fat PS3s will now be used as foundations for landfills as they are old news. Backwards compatibility to the PS2 is now and forever gone. Good news though, you can return your PS3 to GameStop and get $6.48 for it. That's power to the players. And number 1, Apple is in another competition. First Palm, then the FCC, they just can't seem to make any friends. Big surprise, it's OS X 10.6 versus Windows 7. Snow Leopard is Apple's new OS, marketed as a fix for under-the-surface issues, increasing speed and usability, but still keeping the same OS X 10.5 interfaces and style. Windows 7 is just the opposite, aiming to split away from Vista, and who could blame them? One major difference is that Windows 7 will cost you $120 some dollars or $300 or something like that, depending on how many coupons you have and the version you had before. Snow Leopard is available for $30 as an upgrade from Leopard, but only works on Intel-based, not PowerPC Max. But if you're still running on a PowerPC, now's the time to upgrade. They both are trying to one-up each other, and la la la, fanboys, all caps, rant, blog, blog.
Like you were just a wish that could turn out.
That's all for this week, and I have some new interweb networking. Tech Tuesday is on YouTube at youtube.com/NHTechNews and on Twitter at twitter.com/NHTechTuesday. Stalk me, follow me there. Until next week, I'm William Spoor.